We know that the output of three-phase generator is 3 times more than the single phase. And hence, three-phase power is more efficient than the single-phase power. This we have already seen in this video. You can watch this for better understanding. Link is given in the description. So, if three-phase generator is giving us 3 times more output than the single phase, why can't we use a 6-phase generator that will give us 6 times more power than the single phase? Why are we still using 3 phases? Why can't we have a 6-phase generator or 12-phase generator and get more output than the 3-phase generator? Well, if you are in rush, then the answer is it is not required, it is expensive, and it is very, very complex. That's the shortest answer. But if you are looking for a detailed explanation, then you need to watch the video. Hello and welcome back on my channel. My name is Gaurav J. On this channel, I post videos related to electrical engineering in easiest way possible. So if you are interested in learning electrical engineering in easiest way, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, 2 lucky winners will get chance to join the best-selling course on a DC generator on the app for free. To know how you can participate in the contest, keep watching the video. Now let's talk about the 6-phase power. As I said, 3-phase generator gives us 3 times more average power than the single-phase generator. And in similar way, if we have 6-phase generator, we can probably get 6 times more average power than the single-phase generator. We can add 3 more windings to a 3-phase generator which will be placed at an angle of 60 degrees. But still, we don't use 6-phase power. Why? It's very simple. Because it is not required and it is complex and expensive. Let's start right from the generation. To generate 6-phase power, we first need to have 6-phase generator. And cost of this generator will be double than the 3-phase generator. Because the material required to make a 6-phase generator will be more than the 3-phase generator. And also the size of this generator will be more, and as a result we will need more area to place that generator. Further, once the 6-phase power is generated, we need to step it up to transmit that power. So we will need a 6-phase transformer. A regular 3-phase transformer is already one of the expensive equipment in the substation. And if we need a 6-phase transformer, it will cost huge money. Again, in transmission phase, number of conductors required will get doubled than the 3-phase system. Therefore, we also need a special type of towers to carry 6 phases, and also the height of this special tower needs to be more than the regular one to offer safety clearances to all the conductors. This also increases the chances of fault. With 6 phases, there is a high possibility of conductors touching each other. And this is not just increasing the overall cost, but also the complexity of the system. Not only this, if you look at the equipment used in a substation, instead of a 3-phase circuit breaker, we will need to have a 6-phase circuit breaker. Similarly, 6-phase transformer, CVTs, CTs, disconnectors, and all the other equipment. This will definitely also increase the land requirement. Again, this is getting really expensive and also complex. Imagine a circuit breaker having 6 phases. The construction, the working, everything else becomes really complex. And this is not only increasing the expenses of electrical utilities, but also of consumers. With 6 phases, customers also need to buy 6-phase motors, which will of course be expensive than the 3-phase motors. Again, they will also need more space to accommodate that large size machine. You can now imagine with addition of more phases how complex and expensive our system can get. Now the theory says with 6 phases we can get double the power delivered which 3-phase system can deliver. But if you go for 12 phases, it cannot deliver double power than the 6 phase. the power transmission curve would be declining with more addition of the phases. So definitely 12 phase is not a choice for us. With 6 phase, we saw how complex system can get, but yes, we can get a double the power than 3 phase, but at what cost? And is that cost worth it? Let's assume we did all the expenses. We made a 6-phase generator, a 6-phase transformer, and also other equipment including the transmission and distribution towers. We did all the expenses. And what's the output? We got doubled power transmission than the 3-phase system. Okay, agreed. But with 6 phases, we also increase the complexity of the overall system, which also makes maintenance of the system very difficult. We also increased cost of the whole system and also the cost to the consumer. This increased complexity is not justifying the efficiency we are getting from the 6 phases. The huge cost is also not justifying the efficiency we are getting from the 6 phases. So with the increased phases, we are not adding more benefits to the system, rather we are adding more cost and complexity. And this explanation also stands true for 4 phases or 5 phases. Even if you go with 4 phases, complexity and the cost increases. And hence 3 phases is the best choice we have. With 3 phases, we get 3 times more power delivered than the single phase, and that is more than enough. You see how efficient 3-phase machines are. As a result, they have a very wide application. 3 phases is the optimum choice we have, as going higher than that, the increased efficiency does not justify the increased complexity of using more phases. Now you know about the auto rickshaw. It has 3 wheels. And if you add more wheels to it, will it make it more better? Well, the answer is no. With already having only 3 wheels, it is doing its job perfectly and at much lower cost. You may add one more wheel to it, but will it be more beneficial to that auto rickshaw? Again, the answer is no. You can add one more wheel, it will just increase the cost of the auto rickshaw than the benefits. And same is the case with our power system. If we go with 6-phase power, then what complications, what difficulties we can face? Let me know via comments. Let's have a discussion on that. Let me know your thoughts about it via comments. So I hope this video answers the question you have about going with more phases. If the video answers your question, do like and share the video with your friends. That's all I ask. Now let's talk about the course giveaway. 2 lucky winners can join the course for free. The course is absolutely free. They only need to pay internet and service charges of rupees 25. Now how can you join the contest and be a lucky winner? First is you need to download the Electrical Guy Mobile App from Google Play Store and sign in. Follow us on the Instagram. This is the Instagram handle. Look out for the giveaway post. Like the post and tag your 3 friends in the comment section who do you think the content on our channel can help. Please note the last date to participate in the giveaway is. Winners will be announced on my Instagram handle after the last date of participation. All these details are also mentioned in the description of this video. Do check that out as well. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. But till then, keep watching, keep learning.